Optus recently released a pause function on your My Optus app. It is a great idea for parents that want their children to take a time out and disconnect from the internet while doing homework or having dinner. It can also be useful for putting on while on important video calls or meetings for a distraction-free environment. Presently, you can pause your internet connection for up to 90 minutes. Any devices and their SIM cards linked to the account can be controlled from the app. It is a simple solution that helps you pause connectivity distractions to enjoy the time that matters most to you without installing multiple apps across different devices. I think this is a great tool from Optus and a good lead in the increasingly important awareness of having a healthy balance in your life between online and offline.